Hey, here we go, another morning. Got out here. Ollie's still sleeping. He does he does like his mornings, uh, usually horizontal. So anyhow, we're in a good spot here today. I think we're gonna try to get some glass in the boat back by the transom area, so we can get the transom glued in. Um, we got a little cleaning to do. We had a couple last minute patches that I put some fiberglass in on. So I'm going to get those sanded up this morning here and get everything cleaned up, do a lot of cleaning, um, wipe it all down, and then we'll be putting some glass in a little bit later. So here we go. Always nice not having to bend down to work. So it got a little cool here last night, probably down to about 60, 58. My thought now is to let this sit in the sun this morning for a little bit, let it warm up, and we'll get everything wiped down, and we will put in our first couple pieces of glass. Okay, so I guess here we go. Finally getting to that point. We've got the boat's been sitting outside a little bit, got the sun to warm it up a little bit. I've got my 1708 warmed up with the heat gun. I've got the resin here ready to get mixed up. We are going to get everything mixed. We'll get it into the roller pan, and we will see if we succeed or fail. This will be the first actual batch of fiberglass other than a couple little patches that we put on this boat. So let's see where we go. Failure, and our first batch of laying glass down didn't work so well. I ended up with quite a few white spots in it once it's set up. I'm not gonna make you sit through watching me lay up the glass that I got to grind back out. So here's some quick shots of me grinding it back out and getting ready for attempt number 2. Well, Ollie and I were gonna have a video this week of laying up some glass in the boat, but half of it ended up turning out pretty white, even though we thought we rolled it out good. So most of today has been grinding, and that's probably gonna be about it for this week. I know, bud, it sucks. Hey everybody, it's that time of the week again, trying to get this video put together, and yeah, the video didn't quite go the way I was hoping. Yeah, so we ran into a little bit of problem putting the glass down. Some of it turned out pretty decent. Others, there's a couple pieces there where there was quite a bit of white. It looked like air in it. So I don't know. I didn't want to risk it. I know it's not a high stress type boat, but yeah. So most of our time was spent grinding glass back out again. So I didn't want to have you watch me put it down just to grind it out. So either way, I'm learning. I'm going to try to find a little warmer day to do it next time, or probably wait later in the day to do it. But yeah, we're going to continue moving on. Thanks for sticking with me so far here, and see if I can do it better next time. So please go ahead, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, like, make a comment if you saw anything else that I did wrong, and we'll be back at it again and trying to improve. So again, thanks a lot. We'll catch you next time.